Hello, my name is Enrico Roselli with United Realty Group, the Roselli team. My wife Monica Roselli is with Coldwell Banker, and courtesy of Keeping Current Matters, Real Estate Market Report, July 2022, and talks about recession fears are surging among CEOs, according to a survey, Wall Street Journal, saying that 3/4 of global CEOs think that we are in a recession. I have to agree, or will be in the next 12 to 18 months, according to a new survey. Throughout history, during a recessionary period, interest rates go up at the beginning of the recession, but in order to come out of a recession, interest rates are lowered to stimulate the economy moving forward. Historically, we have seen a repeated uptick in interest rates, followed by lower interest rates. Here's a chart showing the earlier recession starting in 1980, January 80 to July 80, where they dropped 16% to 11.8%. You could just follow through the chart here, 81 to 82. It dropped 18% to 13%. Early 90s, 11% to 8.8%. Early 2000s, March 2001 to November 2001, 7.4% to 6.8%. Great Recession, 6% to 4.9%. And then the COVID-19 recession, 3.8% to 2.8%. So, over the past 5 recessions, mortgage rates have fallen an average of 1.8 percentage points from the peak seen during the recession to the trough. And in many cases, they continued to fall after the fact, as it takes some time to turn things around even when the recession is technically over. Here's a chart. Recession doesn't equal a housing crisis. And you can see the last 6 recessions, 4 home prices went up. Here's a chart showing from January to May 2022, months inventory of homes for sale, creeping up also. Existing home sales nationally. As you can see, we are right now at a little bit above pre-pandemic levels. Home sales have essentially returned to the levels seen in 2019 prior to the pandemic, after 2 years of gangbuster performance. Active inventory continued to grow, rising 21% above 1 year ago. In other words, we're starting to add more options, but the market needs even more before home shoppers have a selection that's roughly equivalent to the pre-pandemic housing market. Here's an updated inventory forecast from National Association of Realtors, Realtor.com, 0.3%, and it's now at 15%. We should start to see less competition, fewer bidding wars, and therefore less upward price pressure. People are asking, should I buy a home right now? Some of the headlines: cooling housing market enters into the great deceleration, buying a home at the wrong time can backfire big time. However, decelerating home prices do not mean depreciating home prices. Home price forecast for 2022 from the different lenders, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae. The average is 8.5% home price increase. The root issue of what drives home prices almost always is supply and demand. When interest rates go up, guess what? Fewer buyers. The demand goes down. prices are going to soften. Single-family housing units completed. You see here on the right, 14 straight years below the 50-year average. Experts don't believe the market is in a bubble or a crash is in the cards. Like during the Great Recession, the nation is still suffering from a housing shortage that has reached crisis proportions at a time when many millennials are reaching the age when they start to consider home ownership. That's likely to keep prices high. And here's that graph showing millennial generation, 81 to 96 birth years. They're at peak home buying years. Percentage of distressed property sales, they're way down, almost non-existent. So that's just a quick market recap. My wife and I have been doing real estate since 2003 and 2004 respectively in Pembroke Pines, Miramar, Southwest Ranches area. By the way, if you know of anyone who's looking to buy or sell real estate in this market, if you could send them my way so I could help them. And we do offer, of course, free, no obligation property evaluations. Just give us a call or text us, 954-895-0285, 954-895-0285. Enrico Roselli, United Realty Group. Thank you.